Wilson put on a show. Singay over to Wilson now. Wilson's first. Three-point shot. Wilson. Good defense by Small. Ill-advised pass. Leaked. Caleb Wilson jumping out of the gym. Tossed it out to Wilson somehow. Wilson, step back, Jay, bottom. Sellers. Over to Wilson, flicks the wrist again.
He's shooting another one now. Oh, I would have heat checked.
There is the heat check. Tremendous rookie class. Right on cue, Wilson.
I see teams doing that, John. I totally agree with you.
Hang time. Sway to work it in. Wilson fires. Into Wilson. And Wilson, they're not going to foul him on the shot. It hits the tray anyway.